7 black, and just a little tip to show you how to remove the actual housing cover on the charging port. Now all you have to do is press this little button here. It can be a bit finicky and it clips out, and then you pull up and out and you've got access to the USB port. Now to actually remove the cover completely, if you need to remove the cover, and for example some cases need the cover removed so you can have access to that charging port, I found that it's very easy. It can be quite difficult, but an easy way to do it is to put your finger down by that 7 and pull back on the housing, and it levers it out with no effort whatsoever. There you go, as simple as that. And to replace, all you have to do is make sure that this part of the cover is out. If you find that you've accidentally pushed it back in and it locks in, you're going to have to press the little button again to release it. There you go. And make sure that's protruded out. You're not going to be able to put the actual cover back on. Now, if you put when you put the cover back on, make sure if you put it in, I'm putting it around the wrong way. If you put it in at that angle, it won't go in. It needs to go on in about 45 degrees. So if you put it in, you can see the bar there. If you put it in, you can feel it in the right position when you. There you go. This is approximately the right angle that you need to be in, and it's just a matter of pushing it, snapping it in position. And at that point, what you do, bring that down completely flush and then push it in.